Hello everyone and welcome for today's video tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to use Google Ads for brand awareness. Google Ads is a product that you can use to promote your business, help sell products or services, raise awareness, and increase traffic to your website. Google Ads accounts are managed online so you can create and change your ad campaign at any time, including your ad text, settings, and budget. Now, when we are making our business, we must make sure that our brand is known to other people, and that is called as brand awareness. Brand awareness refers to the familiarity of consumers with a particular product or service. A brand awareness campaign seeks to familiarize the public with a new or revised product and differentiate it from the competition. Now, Google Ads is one of the tools that you can use to promote your business or product. So for us to learn how to use Google Ads in promoting your product or business, so we can watch our previous video on how to use Google Ads for local businesses. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube.